Hello, class 12 students. Today we will study about temperature dependence of resistivity. Temperature resistivity, we are knowing rho, which means rho temperature पे कैसे ये डिपेंड करता है, उसके लिए ये इक्वेशन है, दैट इज़ रो टी इक्वल टू रो नॉट 1 प्लस अल्फा टी माइनस टी नॉट. This is the equation for resistivity of a metallic conductor approximately. This is derived equation. You should go through this directly. Here the rho t is the temperature at time t temperature, rho naught is the absolute temperature, alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistivity, t is the temperature at time t, and T naught is the absolute temperature at 0 degree Celsius. And resistivity of a material is dependent on the temperature of the material by the equation. Here resistivity will depend upon the temperature by this equation, where alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistivity. Its dimension is 1 by temperature, that is 1 by Kelvin, K minus 1. It is found to be positive for metals. Rho t is the alpha value will be positive for metals. For this they have given one table in the textbook, and also we written earlier the table where alpha values are given. You just go through that will give you the value of alpha. Here you can calculate the value of alpha through this equation, rho t equal to rho naught plus rho naught in alpha delta t, where t minus t naught will become delta t, difference in temperature. Then here this you take this side, then rho t minus rho naught, and this will be there only. Then you see alpha will be equal to rho t minus rho naught divided by rho naught into alpha. Alpha will be there, so it will be rho naught delta t. So alpha, in this way alpha is defined as the fractional change in resistivity per unit temperature change. Fractional change means change in resistivity to the original resistivity, that is the fractional change in resistivity per unit temperature change. This is the value of alpha. Then rho will depend upon behavior of the material. Material is, if it is metal, then its value varies differently. If it is a conductor, its value differently, and if it is semiconductor, then its values varies differently. First we see rho changes off as a function of temperature T. This graph you are seeing, it is given in textbook also, that as in low temperature, the temperature is constant, and temperature increases, rho is very smaller change in rho, and as after 50 degree Kelvin temperature increases and rho also increases. This is the curve for metals. T graph, almost a straight line at a higher temperature. We will get straight line at higher temperature, and a lower Celsius it varies 0 degree at temperature lower than 0 degree. The graph deviates from straight line factor. It is not straight line, so it is not varying linearly with the temperature. This you can go through this formula for this, that is rho is equal to m by ne square tau. There in m and e are constants. Rho depends only on inversely on both number of density of free electrons, this is n, and relaxation time tau. So in case of n number of density of free electrons will not much change in case of metallic conductors. On heating, the collisions, free electrons move faster and collisions becomes fast, so relaxation time decreases. Relaxation time tau, average time between collisions, decreases, and tau increases because they are in inverse proportion. Tau increases when temperature increases. Heating means you are increasing the temperature, so temperature increases, tau increases. In this way it is depend upon tau. In case of resistivity of alloys, the resistivity does not change much. Alloys like nichrome, magneite constant. These are used in wire bound standard resistors. because they are not much changing resistivity with temperature. In case of semiconductors, I told you, again you can connect it with the help of this formula. This is rho m by n square tau. Here change in rho due to increase in n number of density charge carriers. Thus rho decreases with temperature for the semiconductors. Temperature increases, here rho value decreases, and because charge carriers increases, n increases, so rho decreases and temperature increases. This is in the case of semiconductors. Thank you.